Let me tell you a story. In our days, if we wanted something, you take 7 days, or 3 days, dry, or 7 days, or 21 days. When it's done, for example, if I come to you and I said I need this, and you said no,
I take 21 days of fasting for you. Then I return. By the time I return, you'll accept without knowing. You think, how did we come to this level? Once I talk to God, and He tells me I've given it to you, and I come to you, and you refuse, I take 7 days drive for you. I leave the bed and I go down. I stop eating and drinking, and I cry unto God. If you're the one to give it to me, you give it to me. If you're not the one to give it to me, in 7 days they fire you and put somebody to give it to me.
That's how we live. That's how we knew. We
knew some services.
You
pray for people. There's a gentleman called City Twawula. Kampala town clerk or something. He told us, I've driven you out of the city. Go. You make a lot of noise. I told the brethren, we had a wailing wall right there. We went right there. We put these eviction notices for 9 days. In 9 days, he was fired. He was fired or he resigned.
You were joking with the anointing. Listen to this.
There was a gentleman.
He
chased us off TV.
He invited me
to the current Aya Hotel. That's where his office is. If he's on TV now watching, I won't disclose his name. He called me and told me we had a meeting.
These mushrooming churches, they are not
supposed to be on national TV. We only believe in 4 religions.
So program
we have taken off your program officially. I said, all right. I packed my stuff and left his office. I was about to travel. By the time I returned, he was promoted from being a minister.